This is Space Pod, and we're here about to test ride the 2016 Ducati 959 Panigale. Let's take a look around. This is an L-twin, quick shifter, brilliant bike, and so we're gonna just see how it is. Okay, we are underway. It's a bit of a tall bike, the 959, and we are in race mode. Sorry if I'm out of breath. It's a lot of work when you're short. Race mode is quite powerful. Still getting used to it. Let's see. Race mode. It's pretty comfortable once you're up and going. Very narrow at the tank. Gear indicator, yes, 4th gear. Mirrors are okay, a little buzzy at speed. There we go. Nice Ducati sound. Seems to handle pretty well, but no twisties yet. Just freeway stuff. Push to cancel signals. Let's go ahead and get off. Downshifting is very smooth. This does have a quick shifter. Quick shifter. Quick shifter is very smooth. Ah, that L-twin is fun. Lots of power. Very responsive throttle. Not twitchy, just fairly responsive. Feels somewhat like the R1. But no, not a Mode 1 R1. It's a little tallish. Good brakes. Okay, well, let's figure this out. We have... I'm going to try a different mode here. Okay, we are now in sport mode. Sport mode is nice and civilized for this kind of stuff. City riding. Different power delivery. It's good though. Okay, now we gotta look for Pro Italia. I like it. I would love to take this on a twisty. Quite nice. This is the 959 Panigale. Oh yeah, it handles pretty nicely. I can tell it'll handle just fine. And this is a dealer bike, so thank you to Pro Italia big shout out for letting the Space Pod try this thing. Thanks. I don't know how to turn the high beams off, but I guess I'll leave them on. The thing feels very neutral. I would love to ride this in the canyon. The twisty. Alright guys, this is awesome, man. I really like this bike. It's just a bit of a teaser. I got a really good sampling of the power, but not really of the handling. There's a good bit of engine heat coming off the bike, but I don't really get hot all that easily. So I don't know where Pro Italia is exactly yet, but I'm going to take it easy, and plus I passed 2 cops. So, not going to do anything silly. That engine note sounds fantastic. Oh man, there's the Triumph. This is the one I'm really looking at hard as well. Ooh, it sounds good too. Hey, how's it going? We are at Pro Italia, SpacePod viewers, and you are?
I'm Bill Nation. I'm the dealer principal of Pro Italia.
Awesome. Very nice to meet you, sir. My name's Dan Burke. I'm SpacePod with a 0 on YouTube, and I ride a lot of bikes. So thank you for letting me ride the 959 Panigale and the 675R. Amazing.
Yeah.
What sets you apart? Why is it that you allow test rides and so many dealers don't?
Well, we just kind of, our kind of philosophy is we don't want people, a lot of times when people come in here with a bike, I bought this bike, I shouldn't have bought it.
Oh, okay.
And that's not the way to build a customer. We don't let everybody just take a ride, but it seems like if you're going to spend that kind of money, you want the confidence that you're buying the right bike.
Right.
You know, it's a big step to buy a motorcycle. You can only read so much.
Totally, yeah.
You can only read so much. So
Nothing like
we
riding.
find, taking a sampling, we do try to qualify the customer. We don't, because it's definitely a risk.
Absolutely,
yeah.
yeah.
Customers, about 2 or 3 times a year we have an oopsie. Nothing big, but it happens.
Yeah,
But it's part of our business.
Sure. Yeah, even a drop can set you back quite a bit, labor, cost, etc. I do appreciate that dealers like yourself let me test ride, because there's nothing like letting a bike sell itself, especially the Italian stallion, the Ducati, you know. So anyway, thank you so much. I'll keep it short and sweet, and it's a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Any old time.